Hey class, this is Mr. Coursey. Today we are going to be talking about Objective 6 of the website portfolio assignment. If you've been following along, be sure that you've done Objectives 1 through 5 first. This assignment, there's not much to it. We are gathering online resources. These can be very useful when you're in whatever industry you are. You have sites that you can go find clip art or stock video footage or sound effects or background music for a specific video you're working on that sets the right mood. I'm sure everybody has sites that they regularly go to that they already have bookmarked. This is a great opportunity to let you visualize and see everything in one spot and have one go-to place to be able to find this stuff. Be sure that you read the directions for Objective 6 and go through each bullet, make sure that you do everything that it says. Let's talk about gathering online resources. Online resources are great. Great resource for future projects. A lot of times I forget places I've been to, or I can't remember, or I lost the link, and then it takes all this time to find it again. But if you get in the habit of putting the links to your resources page, especially if it's good ones, it'll save you time and effort. It gives you a library of information and resources to go back to. You'll find you'll start getting quite a good collection of good places to go to. Saves time and effort and lets you visually see all your bookmarked sites in one place, and you can keep it organized. Let's go ahead and talk about what types of resources can you put on this page. Most of this you can either find copyright and non-copyright music, sound effects sites. Same with stock footage and clip art sites, template sites. Non-copyright stuff is royalty free. You got permission from the creator to include it into your work. Copyright, you have to get permission from or pay a certain amount for a license to be able to use people's work in your projects. Try to include a couple to start with if you don't have any on your resource page. In addition, there are a lot of great tutorial sites for any type of industry, for graphic design, video production, After Effects, Premiere, Photoshop, Mr. Coursey's Classroom channel. Just go to YouTube and just type video production tutorial, and then you got all kinds of different videos which have channels that you can go and look and see what other work that they've posted. You can provide direct links to those channels and gather quite a bit of resources. In addition to great tutorial sites or YouTube channels, there's also MLA formatting and style guides. If you're in my class, we do several competitions throughout the year through TSA, BPA, and a lot of times we have to cite sources of sound clips, clip art, stock footage, images. Some of the stuff we create ourselves, but occasionally we get stuff from external sources. And you have to cite it. And a lot of times people cite it wrong. These MLA formatting style guides like Purdue OWL and Citation Machine, you can just find what type of thing you want to cite, either APA or MLA. Most of the time it's MLA for us. You just plug the information in and it shows you how to cite it on their site. It's a really great resource. It's really good to add links to this site to make sure that you don't forget about it, because a lot of times you just forget the name and you're like, what was that called? Where do I go to? So put that on your resources page and you'll be able to quickly find it whenever you need it. So moving forward for this assignment, what I want you to do is post resources you already used first. Check your bookmarks, anything you've saved, anything you've used on past projects, post those first. Try not to only copy my examples. Research and find new ones on your own. On my resource page, I've listed several examples. I haven't made links to them yet at this point in time, but you can see what different ones are called and see how I got them separated by category. On my personal website, I also have audio video resources. These actually have the links, and you could look at some of those and get some ideas about how to format and post those as well. Complete all requirements from the directions page. Like I said at the beginning of this clip, make sure you look through every bullet Make sure that you've done everything. Try to go above and beyond and don't just do the minimum. Do more than the minimum. And post your 6 blog posts on your daily blog page. I'll be checking that as well. That's part of your Objective 6 grade, so don't forget about that. And then most importantly, on your Google site, don't forget to click Publish. It's very important that you click Publish and publish your site so others can view, especially me so I can grade you, but others can view your portfolio site as well. In addition, make sure that you're giving others access for seeing your published work. Under Publish, make sure you choose anyone can find and view the published version. Make things easy for me to be able to grade and see your content that you've posted. So that's pretty much it on gathering online resources. I hope this video's been helpful to you, gives you a little guidance and direction. You notice I didn't specifically name too many sources because I want you to find your own. I want you to explore and hopefully you find some really good stuff, but I want you to post it on your site and show me. So have fun, and I look forward to seeing what you got.
Hey class, if you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to this channel. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.